So what you can also do inside of Qwen is generate image to image, but there is no direct way to actually go ahead and upload out an image and tell it to generate a similar image. So in that case, what you can actually do is you can go ahead and upload out an image first. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead right here and upload out an image right here of this particular photo, let's say, for example, and I'm going to go around and say, give me a prompt so that I can generate image similar to this. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, then what happens is that Qwen will analyze out this particular image right here and write a prompt for it. So you can see it says a cozy warm scene featuring a white ceramic mug. So you can see that it actually takes out that particular image right here, and you can actually go ahead and copy out this image. So now you can actually go on to new chat and then choose image generation, paste out that particular prompt right here, just like this. So let me just remove out this particular prompt right here, just like this. And then I'm simply going to go ahead and then send this out. So let me just go ahead and remove these out and then hit send. And now let's see what it comes up with. So you can see that this is what you have. So you need to go ahead and wait for a while. And you can see that this is the result that you got right here. So similar to what you have right here, you can see that this was the original image. We generated a prompt out of it, and from the prompt we generated this image. And this is how you can actually go ahead and then utilize image to image generation inside of Qwen and utilize this little trick. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.